Jump off. Here we go, and they got the ball. Brother Ernie getting the ball, number 19, with the mid-range, and that's no good. Number Niparanza gets the ball, number 5, to the inside. Pastor Douglas gets the ball. And that goes over there. Take the ball, pass up court. Ernie gets the ball, number 19, Lopez. Take the mid-range, that's good. Wonderful 2 points. By the Tigers. Number 6, take the shot. Jacob doesn't take it, and that doesn't go in. Without this break, and pass the ball to, and a wonderful pass on transition. Does not get the layup. Gets the ball, pass number 5. Number 5 with a foot pass. Too much. Number 8 passes to Neil Cabranza. Neil Cabranza taking it past half court. Taking the ball to Josiah, getting the ball, getting it back. Number 8 shots the ball. Takes the 3. Wonderful shot by Josiah. We have a 5-point lead. A 5-point lead by the NAB Tigers. Taking it 24. Wonderful shot. The easy layup. 24. Taking the ball, half court. Deciding factor, getting it back to Brother Neil. Number 28, passing it out to Brother Troy. Getting the reverse and the no good. Regardless, they get the ball anyway down. Taking it past half court. Getting the transition. No good. 94. Deciding again. And a foul. First shot of the free throw tonight. He is also the first person to take a layup for Team Skyline. 94 taking the second shot, jumper's good. And there it goes. Wonderful. Ball again. Neil Cabranza taking it past half courts. Deciding factor. 6 minutes remaining on the shot clock. Passing it. And that goes to absolutely nobody. Alright, and 94 taking the dribble, taking it past half court, getting screen, dribbling the ball, taking a shot, passing it to number 6. Number 6 takes the shot, and there it goes. Does not go in. 94 with a putback. Number 1 takes the pass half court, gets it to Bernier with a wonderful jump. He only jumped 5 times in his life. This is the 6th time he's jumped.